demonstrating some hip openers.
This is to reduce the stiffness from your hip and pelvic region and also to strengthen the hip and pelvic muscles, specifically important for women. The first asana we are doing is Nataraj asana or the dancer's pose. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Release and relax. What we are doing next is another hip opener or hip flexor asana, which is Padangushtasana or hand to big toe pose. Hold it for 15 to 20 seconds and relax. These asanas helps in reducing the flab from your thighs, calf muscles, and helps in toning of your lower limbs. The next asana what we are doing is Veerbhadrasana. Lift your upper body up and stretch your hands in a high namaste. Release and relax. Couple of breath. Relax for a while. And the next asana what we are doing is again a variant of Veerbhadrasana, but in a low lunge. We are pushing our pelvis further down so as to give more flexibility to the hip and pelvic region. Relax. The next asana what we are doing is Ekapada Adhomukh Shvanasana, and we are proceeding to Kapotasana. The leg is folded, hands are stretched forward, upper body is stretched forward. Touch your forehead to the mat. Slowly come back to the normal position, Kapotasana. Release and relax. All these asanas bring about excellent toning to your legs, trimming your thigh fat, toning your calf muscles, basically giving a lean, toned appearance to the body and also reduce the stiffness from your pelvic region. The next asana is Anjaneya asana or a low lunge, and arch your back, look at the tip of your fingers, relax. And now to give a deeper stretch, go to a low lunge, tilt your head upwards, push your knees forward and stretch your hips to the maximum. Another hip flexor. This is another variant of the same Anjaneya asana which gives a more deeper stretch to your hip and pelvic region. Arch your back and look up. Come back and relax. Now come to the basic yoga pose, Vajrasana. From there, we will be moving towards Mandukasana or the frog pose. Sit on the gap between the legs. Stretch your feet and knees to provide maximum gap between the legs. Sit on the gap and slowly walk your hands forward. Try to touch your forehead to the mat. Stretch your spine. Mandukasana, which is an excellent hip opener. Come back and relax. And in the same posture, just like we went forward, we are going backward towards Supta Virasana. Either you can support your body on the elbows or you can go down fully flat on the ground and relax in Supta Virasana. This is an excellent hip opener, gives excellent stretch to the hip and pelvic muscles and helps in toning the leg fat. Come up and relax. Another excellent hip opener asana which we are doing next is the lizard pose, in which the leg is moved maximum towards the side. Stretch your body and try to touch your forehead to the mat. You can see the extension or the flexing it is giving to the hip muscle. To give a deeper stretch, you can push the knee to the side and look up. An excellent hip flexor asana. Come back and have a couple of breath and relax.